Special thanks to this company for sending us this set of sports polarized sunglasses. They're great for running, fishing, golf, etc. This is a little container they came in. Let's open them on up. Take out the glasses. Oh, look at that. Wear glasses to see a beautiful pattern. So you can see something with the glasses with these. That's it for the little box. It does have a nice little carrying case for your glasses, as well as a string to attach to your glasses. Then these are the glasses. Nice little logo there on the side. That's what they look like from the front. I personally like this unique design. Like the blue, very soft, very, very lightweight. Exactly what you would expect. Let's see if we can see. Yeah, maybe you can see it in there. It's an airplane. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but there's an airplane on this. It's not there without it. But let me throw these on my face and we'll show you what these look like. All right, so these are these glasses, and wow, they are so white. This is what they would look like on your face. Really good protection. Like I don't see, yeah, I thought like this light would come down. It doesn't. It's not bothering me at all. Very nice look. I actually really like these, and they're pretty nice, pretty light, great for running, great for working out, just great sunglasses in general. Thanks again to this company for sending me these sunglasses. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.